Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to copy or move emails from one account in Outlook to another. Now, first thing that you should do is simply add the accounts that you want to move the inbox messages from to. So here in my case, I have two accounts, as you can see, this one and this one. And if you want to add an account, just scroll down a little bit and click on add account in order to add it. Now let's open any inbox of these accounts, then right click on one of them. Then here you have these options. I'm going to click on move. Then I'm going to click on move to other inbox. After that, you go and click on forward. Then you want to copy the name of this account right here. So I'm going to click on manage account. Then I'm going to copy it just like so. Then I'm going to hit send. And now when I go and open this inbox, it is now being sent, as you can see. So now I have forward one of the messages. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.